Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete a message that you have already sent to one of your contacts on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the name of the person at the chats section that you have sent a message and would like to remove it. So click on its name and find a message that you have that you would like to delete. Click on it, hold your finger on it for a second, and then this section will appear to you. So all you have to do is clicking on the remove button down below. Press the button remove if you are sure that you want to get rid of this message of yours. Click on remove, and as you can see, your message has been deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.